All right, we are live. Let's see. Why are these things so twisty? All right. We are now live on YouTube. Alrighty. Let's get this link. Copy stream link. Discord. Assalamu alaikum wa alaikum assalam. What's up? What's up? Good morning, everybody. How's everybody doing today? Control V. Everyone live on Discord. On YouTube. YouTube, join up. Damn, my hair's crazy right now. It's super wet. How's everybody doing? We're gonna go over our daily bias really soon. Just telling everybody to join up. Alright, let's post the link on Instagram. Say everybody join up. Signal bot me today, right? Need everybody to signal bot, huh? What's up, Julian? What's up, Ahmed? What up, Suhail? How's everybody doing? How's you guys' morning or night or afternoon or middle of the night? Yeah, we're about to go through the bias right now. Just give me 1 second. Live trading, New York Open. All right, post that, and we should be good. I gotta check something. All right, give me 1 minute, 1 second. All right. Oh, you won the free eval, Julian? Nice, nice. Did you end up passing it or no? All right, let's go straight into our bias, guys. Guys, yesterday's trade was so unfortunate. Look what happened. Look what happened, guys. Oh, so sad, so sad, so sad. I mean, it's okay though. I mean, we pumped up all the way over here. We wanted our take profit over here. We pumped up, came all the way back down, then slowly came back up, then came back down, and then eventually just pumped up. But it happens. It is what it is. We got brutal break even, but our trade idea was still correct, you know? So the fact that our trade idea was still correct still builds my confidence a lot. Fundamentally we pumped up, and I'm still pretty bullish today, and we'll go over the reason why. So I mean, yesterday we started respecting this whole leg. I mean, we've still been disrespecting all these bearish gaps over here. We're starting to make our way back up. We took out these London lows over here. The only thing that I could see is us coming back down to this low over here and then continue going up. But I want to see, we tapped into this bearish gap right over here on the hourly time frame. On the hourly time frame, we tapped into it and we're starting to reject off of it, which is a weird sign, but we'll see. Basically, if we disrespect this 15-minute gap over here, this bullish gap, I'll be looking to go. To be honest, I don't even want to go shorts because, like, look, this 15-minute gap got disrespected. We need to see this get fully respected to continue going higher, right? Because this is getting respected, but now we created a short downtrend. Because we started respecting this bearish gap, disrespecting this bullish gap. Now we have this big bullish candle over here, what came from, I'm assuming, yeah, PPI. We had news today, PPI sent us higher, so yeah. How long first Lucid payout approval takes? Been 2 hours showing pending. Yeah, you'll get it. Before it used to be instant, but now I think they just slowed down a little bit just because they have to. But you'll get it probably by like tomorrow or like later today. They do it really quick. Man, you guys are spoiled. I have to apologize about yesterday when I told you your bias is killing you today. Your bias was right. Thank you. You accept when you're wrong. It takes a real man to admit it. I appreciate you. You see? We ended up pumping. So yeah. We can do it tomorrow at Tursonz. Not now. What do you guys think? What is everybody else thinking? I want to chill on always giving my bias. I kind of want to see what you guys think. I kind of want to see what you guys think, what your bias is. You know? I want to see. I don't want you guys to just like, oh, yo, his bias is this. I want you guys to question my bias too. So I want to see what you guys are also thinking, what analysis you guys are doing, because you can't just be watching me without thinking for yourself. Equal lows on ES while structure is bullish. Could go either way right now. I don't think so. I think we're going to be more bullish. Ooh. Damn, my eyes, bro. My eyes. Alright, market opens in 1 minute. We're just trickling around over here. Playing around with VWAP. I think we dump back in, tap into this, play around over here, get some nice longs to these London highs. That would be really nice. I like that. We already took up previous day highs, took out London lows. We have Asia lows and previous day lows. Wait, where the hell is previous day lows? Previous day lows is all the way down over here. I do not think we come all the way down over there. If we do, that would be insane, bruh. But actually, we've been kind of chopping. We've been kind of chopping and ranging lately. Like, we go up, down, up, and we're going down. But nah, I think we're gonna be bullish, and I think this is where we finally break out. Let's see. 33 seconds. We're starting to make our way up. Bullish for me on NAS today. Yes, sir. ES took out London high. It's okay. We have 1 minute FVG. I think it's gonna be bullish. We have high time frame SMT, respect OB, 1 hour FVG, sweep liquidity. We are going down. Ooh, you think you're going down? I don't know about that. We'll see. Maybe we go down. This 15-minute time frame right over here is going to be my condition over here. I like how we're respecting it so far. If we pump up to take out this high, like that's going to confirm it for me. Like, okay, we're respecting it. But yeah, all right. Market just opened. Jeez. Let's see. Wow, a lot of volatility. We got a lot of news today, I think, right? Money. This is going to pump up to get this high. I don't know. Let's see if we can find like a nice quick. I want to take a quicker entry today. I want to take like a quicker trade because I feel like if we're not in early, it's just going to pump without us and get no retracements, right? So today I'm going to be okay with taking a long a bit earlier or a short earlier. We'll see. We're respecting one of my levels right over here. Let's see if we wick into this, because this is a nice displacement cancel upside. Maybe we take out the news low and then continue going higher. I don't know. Kind of like similar as like yesterday. Let's see. If we start coming down here, we'll probably definitely take out the news low. How did everybody do yesterday? Today's what, Tuesday? Today's Wednesday already? Oh my gosh. It's Wednesday, wow. It's Wednesday, my dudes. It is Wednesday, my dudes. You guys know what that means? Only like people know what that means. Or today, yeah. Good morning, massive SMT 15 minute. We'll see. It looks like it's not correlated. Yeah. What is ES doing, bruh? What is ES doing? Alright, but it's okay. I like this. I want to pump on NQ, so like, I want to see us pump. So like, VS is gonna pump. Like, let it pump. VS has these highs over here. We have a huge SMT too. NQ is gonna take out these highs over here. Let's see what price wants to do. Let's wait. Always gonna be patient for a little. Oh my gosh, why is ES just pumping? ES is just absolutely ripping. Makes sense though. Yeah, it's not correlated at all. But it's okay. I want to see how we react after tapping into this 1 minute FVG. You could tap into this huge 1 minute FVG. I think we pump up. Kind of similar to yesterday. So I kind of want to like take something similar to yesterday. I know yesterday we got stopped down. We got caught up in some chop. But my draw on liquidity is these highs over here, and then also these potentially London highs. London highs look pretty good. We tapped into this one. No, we didn't. Did we tap into this 1 minute? No, we didn't. We created equal. Equal lows. Equal lows. But we tapped into the 1 minute stuff, so it doesn't matter. Let's see. Let's tap into it. Alright, bang. Tap into there. Let's see how it reacts off of it. 830 baby low. Yeah, we could do that, but I don't want to see that. I'll be honest. Like, if we start disrespecting this 15-minute gap, I personally want to see this 15-minute gap get held. I don't want to see us come down here. I want to see this get held and we push out of it. I'll be honest. And like, if we do that, that kind of like kills my bias, because then like, if we take this out over here, then we're going to take out these Asia lows over here. And then what am I going to do? You know? Yeah, I'm looking for longs. Or right now, currently, I'm waiting, honestly. I want to see how we react off of this. This is like my confirmation right over here. So if we like completely disrespect it, then yeah, definitely shorts. But like long term and higher time frame, and also like, guys, yesterday, right? Yesterday, the reason why I was so confident in longs was because, I don't know if I told you, right, but I was talking fundamental. Like fundamentally, we should be going up. News. ES is pumping right now. Holy. ES is just ripping, and that's a nice, beautiful wick reaction out of that. Beautiful, beautiful. I want to take a discretionary trade really bad right now. We'll see though. It's 4 minutes. We should take a long right here. We want to take a long right away. We would wait. See if we could get that entry model. Tap into this 1 minute gap over here and see if price like shoots out of it. I want to see how price reacts out of this. Out of this 1 minute gap. If we get that like, oh, that would be really nice. If we get the... Oh, okay, I guess never mind. Never mind, no trade idea. Invalidated. We didn't even create a 1 minute gap. Absolutely not. No, I'm not in. I'm not in, guys. You guys will hear me say I am in. Or like I took longs. Like I'll like clearly say it. I'm not gonna just... A lot of the times I put out this like position thing over here just to mark it out. To mark out my RR, see like where I potentially could get filled. Where I could get my targets. Understand? Ideally, I want to see London highs. London highs will be sick. It'll be sick. Okay, we got that resweep over there, which is nice. If this just chops, I'm going to cry. No, but I do want to take an earlier trade, whether it's... No, we're supposed to go out. It's my mom's birthday today, guys. I gotta take her to brunch. Oh, that's so nice. My little brother's made my mom breakfast in bed for her birthday. What? Some of these comments are like fake, bro. I feel like people bought my comments on my Instagram. Happy birthday, Mama Tursonz. Happy birthday to my mom. Happy birthday. Yo, guys, I'm gonna take a video of this and be like, yo, mom, everybody said happy birthday to Mama Tursonz. They said happy birthday, mama. They're all saying happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Okay. Oh snap, we dumping. Oh my eye, bro. Okay, we're probably gonna take out. Let's see if we take out these news lows, and see from there. Starting to disrespect. Let's see. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, London. Yeah, I saw this the sound. I've listened to this song before on like I don't know even where I listened to it before, but then it like popped up on my my Instagram yesterday, and it got me like freaking. Guys, if I play something on my stream, do you guys hear it or no? You know, we had this 1 hour FVG, but I don't know. Short term, we're being bearish, so we gotta see. We could like potentially come down even lower. Let's see. Wait, if I play something on YouTube, right? Like, can you guys hear it? Like, if we go on my channel, if we go like videos, and we go like. Can you guys hear that or no? We dumping, but let's see how this 15-minute candle closes. Let's see how it closes. We took out that news low. Let's see if we just completely pump out of it. Let's see. Ah, yeah, London. Good morning. Yes, we can very, very faintly, very low. Are you guys hearing it? Gotta put the volume up. Yeah, very low. Oh, this volume. How about now? Was that louder? I just made it max volume, but that's so loud in my ear. Yeah, super low still? What the heck? Maybe I don't have it on my settings. Yeah, dun. Okay, whatever. Like, okay, here, I'll play it on my phone then. What is Alexa saying? 15-minute IFVG incoming. Yeah, it is. Low, still super low. Cause I'm at it. Yo, this is fire. I don't know why. I don't know the lyrics though. Yeah, it is. Yeah, London, I don't know the lyrics though. I gotta learn it. Yeah, this one dancing on it. Dancing on what, yo? Great Khaliji song. Alright, we're about to take out these Asian lows. Let's see. We have a big SMT with ES and stuff. 15-minute time frame. Let's see if we close. Probably gonna close. Yeah, London. Yeah. I want to see us. Yeah, we completely respected this hourly gap over here. Let's see how we respect this. Yeah, London. Bro. Bro, I'm about to like just play this on repeat, bro. It's like in my mind. It's stuck in my mind. Oh yeah. Okay, if we hit TP today, that's the song that we're gonna be playing over, right? Or once we're in the trade, we're gonna play that song and we're gonna be vibing to that. It's stuck in my head now, guys. Alright, we took out this 830 low. Our long's valid now. I don't know. We'll see. If we start disrespecting this, we're probably like there's no way we just edge these Asia lows like that. And look how, wait, did we edge Asia lows on, oh my gosh, we edged it on ES2? That's kind of crazy. Yeah, that's kind of crazy. Previous week high is taken. Yeah, maybe. But I want to be bullish, but this is telling me like, let's watch it. Let's watch it. Let's see how we react after this hourly gap. I know this 15 minute, but the thing is this 15 minutes that is disrespecting this 15 minute. Maybe we could try and catch a short trade into this. If we react, let's see. Yeah, we're about to disrespect this 15-minute gap completely, and we still have Asia lows, right? We still have Asia lows. 15-minute time frame, respecting this, disrespecting this bullish gap over here. Well, it's about to disrespect it. Let's see. We got a minute. We're in a 4-hour bullish gap. We are, but like if Loki price wants to disrespect it, we'll see. Oh, see, like if we get like a long setup right here, I wouldn't want to take it, just because like. Oh yeah, that. Oh. All right, let's see how this 15-minute closes. I'm about to close below this. We could catch a nice entry towards these Asia lows actually. But don't dump without us. Don't dump. Wait a little bit. Give us some like type of like retracement. Like tap in a 5-minute, 1-minute IFVG. Bang! That's money right there, you know? Money. Money. Yo, East. Yo, why did you... One second, guys. Give me a second. Yo, you guys leave breakfast in bed? Yeah. Why? Let's go out for lunch. She didn't eat all day. It's too much. Yeah, I'll just take care of myself. Oh, yeah. Alright, we just tapped into this hourly gap over here. Let's see what we could do. Yeah, this 15-minute time frames. Dumping, sending us lower. Sheesh. You're in shorts? Nice. To be honest, I don't know what I want right now. If we start disrespecting this, I mean, we're probably going to come a lot lower. Mm. No. Yeah, I just did. Oh yeah, then. Okay, so we're in this hourly, but it looks like we're not like respecting any of these. We're really respecting this thing. So that means like higher time frame, we could just be chopping. This 4 hour is about to get disrespected too. Let's see. I got too many stuff on my thing. This 4 hour is also about to be disrespected over here. So we could continue going lower. I don't think we come all the way down to previous day lows though, and there's no unfilled hourly gaps. We have an unfilled 4 hour all the way down over here though. So let's see. Let's add an alert there. A line. We could definitely go all the way down over there. How far is that? It's 300 points. How does the daily time frame look? Playing around. 4 hour. Okay, we tapped into this. We're in this 4 hour gap right over here, or this 1 hour. Let's see how price wants to react. We got 12 minutes from it. We start rejecting out of it. We could potentially catch a nice trade. You can already tell this is about to be a trash day. I know. Low key, it's about to be a trash day. And when I seen ES pump up and NQ was dumping, I don't know, bro. Yeah, ES is dumping hard. ES is probably going to come down to these Asia lows over here. Let's see, though. The thing is, you can't enter shorts all the way down over here. You need like a nice retracement. Oh. And plus, there was no entry for us regardless, even if we wanted to take shorts. I guess this 1 minute gap, but it's too early. There's no like entry. Like somebody said this yesterday too, like when we were chopping around, I guess when we entered into our trade, they're like, holy chop and stuff. I wouldn't really say it was chop, right? I'd rather have like more structure within a range so that we could catch a nice trade to break out of the range, right? But when it prices just like this, like, okay, yeah, maybe you just catch the retracements on the gaps and stuff. I guess that's good, but like I never trust those because like with my luck and everything, always the second I enter, like, oh, I want to enter on a retracement and then catch the next leg down, it always just manipulates and then goes. So like it happens. Yeah, this whole week has been all right. I can't even lie. But I mean, it's only Wednesday. It's only been 2 days. Time zones, bruh. Alexa, what time is it in Turkey?
In Turkey, it's 4:49 p.m.
Dang, afternoon time. 4:49 p.m. That's kind of crazy. What's good on Mizan? I'm doing good. How are you? There's only 4 trading days in a week. What do you mean? Is there days where you don't take a trade due to the choppiness? Yeah. Or if it's just like, it just doesn't seem worth it. But like low key, I've been like forcing a lot of trades with you guys. I don't know. Like before I used to take no trades, like no problem. But then ever since I started live trading, I feel like I have to perform for you guys. I don't know. It's like a weird pressure. It's just been 2 days? What do you mean it's just been 2 days? Yeah, it's been 2 days since the beginning of the week. Monday and Tuesday. Salam, bro. How are you all? Everybody's good. So half the week gone. Oh yeah. Yeah, I mean, half the yeah, I guess. I mean, but like Monday we caught a win. Yesterday was a break even and a loss, but like today we catch a win and then tomorrow we catch a win. That's all you need. You don't need to trade so much. Sheesh, we just be dumping. Dump. What is that blue line? That blue line is one of my my levels, my top tick and bottom tick levels. Ain't you Nathaniel B? Wait, who are you? Ain't you Nathaniel B? Today is the big day. Yeah. Bruh. Holy dump. Holy dump. But Monday we got saved by Trump. I don't like considering those real wins. Why not? Why not? Why don't you like considering those real wins? That makes no sense. A win is a win. I was talking with a mentorship student yesterday, or actually 2 days ago. I was talking with a mentee, right? And basically he was telling me how he was struggling with confidence. And you know what I told him? I told him confidence is going to come over time, right? But one thing that I noticed was that he just kept on looking at the negative sides of things, like looking at the pessimistic things, what he was doing wrong, But he was never looking at the optimistic side of what he was doing right. At the end of the day, you're trying to build your confidence. When you're a confident trader, if you're a confident trader and confident in where you think price is going to go, majority of the time, it's probably going to go there, right? Conviction is so key when it comes to trading. Think about it, right? If you're always looking at the negative side of things, say like, oh, I could have done this better, or I did this wrong, or it wasn't the best entry, or we got lucky, right? For example, right? A comparison I like to do this with is think about a kid. I don't know how many of you guys have a child or how many of you guys are parents, but if you're not a parent yet, I'm not a parent yet, but think about it, right? If you constantly tell your child, whenever they do something good, if you constantly tell them hey, oh, you got lucky there, or you could do better, or that's not good. Say if they get a good grade on a math test and they got a 90, 95, why didn't you get 100? Always looking at the pessimistic things, right? The negative side of things, right? And you can't do that because think about how that child is going to feel, how they're going to grow up. They're going to feel like they're not good enough. They're going to be self-conscious. They're going to be doubtful of themselves, if they're ever actually doing good or not. You see what I mean? It's you're just building a subconscious bad habit where it's putting yourself down, thinking that you're less than what you're capable of, thinking that you're not capable of doing it. So even though okay, yes, we got lucky by Trump news, we still won the trade, right? We still won the trade. And it happens, right? That's why I preach so hard. Yesterday, right? We got break even. We didn't make any money. We got break even yesterday. But the fact that I see price pumped up after, even though it was slow pump, price went up. I'm building confidence in that. I'm not looking, oh man, I got break even. Yes, I make jokes on my social media. I post oh my gosh, we got break even. But that's jokes. Realistically, I'm looking at the positive side of things. Always thinking how I can build my confidence and continue to build my confidence. Understand? All right, we got 6 minutes to see. Let's see if we disrespect this hourly gap over here. We're still in it. Let's see. I want to take longs. I got school tomorrow. I'm not joking about school. Yeah, very nice bump up. I've got school. 15-minute time frame. 15-minute hourly time frame. Damn. We just lost half of our viewers. We're at 160 something. I was dang, we got OD people watching. Now we're at 88. People took these shorts. They wanted me to take these shorts. But they don't know. We're about to take longs. We're about to take these longs, guys. If we could get a nice resweep, that would be tough. Or let's see actually. Hourly time frame. We got 3 minutes. Let's wait. Do we have news at 10 o'clock, guys? Anybody can tell me if we have news? Oh, snap. Now we're back at 136 viewers. Yeah, I don't even know if the view count on OBS is... It's weird. We do have news. Okay. What news do we have? Are we waiting for 10 a.m.? Probably. Yeah. Is part of the psychology that's not being tempted? Absolutely. Absolutely. Like previously, like me back in the day, like I would see this move, see us dumping, and I'd be like, oh my gosh, it's going to go to all-time lows. It's going to like go to zero without me. Like we're gonna dump, or like vice versa. If it starts pumping, I always go like, oh my gosh, I need to get in right now. But I've learned can't think like that because you always get burned. Always get burned. Just be patient. Let the trade come to you. Let it speak to you. Because like realistically, there was no like entry. Like yeah, we dumped, but we didn't really get an entry. You know. Like yeah, maybe over here we could have got it some type of entry, but it just wasn't clear. You know. Damn, bro, my contact is bugging. Does anybody here wear contacts? I have like the cheap ones, man. I could like take it out. I could feel it like coming out of my eye. Yeah, and ES is looking a lot more bullish, so let's see. I would like to see a resweep though. Maybe close above this alley, resweep, and then go. I don't know. Okay, I gotta take out this contact. Oh, I think I put it in backwards. Dang, bro, my eye is killing me. Oh, I put it in backwards. That's why. Are you kidding? Bruh. I need to go get solution real quick. I'll be right back, guys. Oh, snap. Guys, full port longs, full port longs. Okay, this is the reaction that I wanted to see at 10 o'clock. Very nice. Very, very nice. Okay. Let's see how we react off of this fair value gap over here, or even this fair value gap. Probably get a retracement. Doesn't those lenses tingle in your eyes? Yeah, they do sometimes. Only the cheap ones do. I'm broke, guys. I'm unemployed now, so I gotta get the cheap ones. Gotta save money, right? Because I don't have a job anymore. I quit my job. So every last penny counts, right? So if you guys come visit New York, I can't pick up the bill, guys. I need to save money. I'm sorry. You gotta act like you're broke to get rich, right? Nah, I'm joking, guys. If one of you guys comes out, I got you. Treat you. You just full ported? Yeah, well, facts. I'm getting hella FOMO right now, right? Are we getting FOMO? Nah, it's okay. We'll get some type of retracement. If we don't, then unfortunate. But I'm bullish, guys. I'm bullish. This is a very nice displacement. But if we just pump up over here, oh, it'd be so sad. Do we take a long-term trade? Put our stop all the way over here. Let's see. Where would it make sense, though? Basically all the way up to these highs. We're not in a trade yet, guys. I'll let you know when I'm in a trade. We're not in a trade. I like these longs, though. I do want to take longs. Let's see. I want to see the reaction off of it, though, guys, because that was just tapping into a 15-minute. So I want to see the reaction off of this 1 minute gap. 5-minute time frame. We didn't inverse this yet, but still, I want to see. We're going to be patient. Trump, Iran, call away. They want to make a deal. Oh, snap. Do they actually? If we were to enter up here, that's way too high up. No FOMO here, guys. We'll find another entry. We'll find a good entry. Trust me. Don't get FOMO. We'll find a good entry, all right? If it pumps without us, then it pumps without us, right? There's no bottom tail on the 1 hour candle. It's a bottom tail. Yeah, we do. A wick, you mean? It could, but overall higher time frame, right? This double V here is also like a higher time frame retracement, right? We're just a tap into this hourly gap over here. You know what I mean? What the heck? We also just tap into this hourly gap over here. One of my levels. And overall, like from yesterday too, I'm still bullish. Like fundamental news, I'm still bullish, you know? Yeah, then. No wick, yeah. Now we have a wick. Small wick. Small wick. We very much zoom in right there. Let's see if this 5-minute gap inverses. Two-minute over here. 1 minute. 4, 3, 2. So this 5-minute gap inverse. Let's see if price wants to tap back into this 1 minute. How big is this stop loss? I want to see the reaction, guys. I want to see the reaction. Don't enter right away. I want to see the reaction. All right, I'm going to place a stop buy over here. At this level over here. So if we get a reaction off of it, we'll be filled. 47.5. 47.5. If we get that nice reaction off of that, and then we can continue. What is that? That's a good RR. All right, I'm tapped into the trade right there, guys. I'm in longs right now. We got filled over here. I got that reaction over here. We're in this trade over here. Got filled right there. We're in long. Stop loss at this low over here. Take profit at these highs all the way over here. Let's see how it plays out. We're in longs right now, guys. We're in longs. All right, let's pump. I want to see this pump, guys. Let's see it pump. Let's go, let's go. ES looks bullish, so ES could come up higher over here, which could send NQ up higher. Break even point, let's talk break even. Honestly, break even point could be this high over here. This could be our break even. Nice, let's pump. Beautiful pump. BE level. Let's make that white. I like it white. White looks cool, you know? News happening right now? What news is happening? All right, beautiful push up. Beautiful push up. Let's pump. Let's pump. Come on. Come on. Let's pump. Let's pump. Wait, get to my break even first. Let's get to break even. Yeah, then. Right, because this is a good break even point because it's taking out this internal high and it's also playing around with VWAP over here. All right. How did you not get a notification? Guys, we're in longs right now, just letting you guys know. We're in longs, break even point right over here. Nice. I like this a lot. I like this push up, but it's kind of reminding me of yesterday. I hope it doesn't just pump all the way up and then stop us at a break even. But if it does, it does at the end of the day, you know? But let's pump. How are you BE if you just got into the trade? Are you trying to BE from yesterday? No, break even point is like you go break even once it takes one of your levels because that could be a level where it potentially reverses and then goes the opposite way. Like we still have to manage risk, you know? Like if we break this level, I just want to see us pump up. I don't want to see us come retrace back down over here. And then also like it's just protecting us from the trade, you know? It's just like probability at that point, you know? We're not break even yet, guys, so playing around. And I like how ES over here is looking bullish. Like it wants to like take out this high over here, which is going to send NQ. Naturally, it's just going to send NQ higher. Let's pump up. Oh, I love how we mitigated this too first and then pump up because there's no reason for us to come back and mitigate this. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. But we got to close above this. Let's close above this and we should run. We're not break even yet, guys. Not break even yet. This is our level to go break even. Let's respect this 1 minute gap and then push up from here. Hopefully we could do that. We're still in this 15 minute. It's a huge 15 minute, but I expect it to hold. Hopefully this 5 minute gap right over here could disrespect this over here. If we disrespect that, that would be perfect. We got 16 seconds right over here, 8:52. So these next couple seconds, we want price to close above 8:52. Let's see. 8:52. Let's hope. All right, so we closed above that. So technically this 5 minute got inversed over here, so it got disrespected. But you never know. We could come all the way back down, retrace, tab back into this 5 minute gap over here, and then continue going higher. That would be annoying, but it is what it is. We're respecting one of my levels over here. But I like this leg up. Technically, like we should hold this. We shouldn't come down below this level. But yeah. Let's pump up from here and just continue going. I like this over here because now if we break this high to our break even point, right? If we take that, then we can move our stops to break even and it makes sense. Like it's like the best opportunity or like the most ideal break even. You know what I mean? Because we're going to take out this high, then we shouldn't come back because we're creating a low right now. So we're creating a new low and then a higher high. So a higher low, higher high, right? And then we could just put our stop loss at this low over here, which is would have been break even anyway, so it makes sense, you know, like structurally wise, if we just pump up from there, you know. All right, we need this to pump, guys. Oh, I'm not worried if we inverse this gap because like we could just be retracing to these 5 minute gaps down here and then push up higher. Ideally, I don't want us to come back down to these 5 minute gaps over here. I just want us to push up. That would be the best. I like that wick a lot. Let's get like a candle flip. That candle flip to bullish. That would be sick. We're chilling around break even right now. Where did I get filled at? How did I get filled at 48, bruh? I put it at 47. We're in at 48, actually. Right there. Good morning, Bella. How's everything? We're currently in some longs right now, so let's see it pump up. Fundamentally, CPI yesterday was bullish for NQ. PPI was also bullish for NQ. So we got our entry. Let's see it. No, so this one isn't an SMR entry. This one is a return to fair value gap entry and seeing the reaction off of it. This is just a continuation to go, potential reversal. But yeah, this one isn't an SMR entry. I mean, technically, like over here, I guess over here if you want to consider one of these in a market structure shift. But no, this one right here is not an SMR entry. An SMR entry would be like more so we created a high over here and then we did it and like there's like some type of high over here and we get a market structure shift. Like if there's a high over here, then this, and then we tap back into that. For alpha futures accounts, in a valuation phase, is it good to use the micro or mini? What account size did you get? If you got a 50K, then micros are good. Guys, the markets have been super volatile lately. Like you have to ask yourself, like, okay, look, if you were to enter into this 1 minute, this is a 93-point stop loss, right? So like we're on NQ, right? So if I press create limit order and I go, right? And if I put in 1, right? If I put 1, are you prepared to lose? Because you can't put in 0.5. You can't put 0.5. It doesn't work, right? It just goes to thing. So if you're on NQ and you're entering a full-size contract, this is 1870. On a 50K account, that's your entire drawdown right there. Are you able to do that? If you were on like a 150K account or a higher size account, then it would make more sense. But this, it doesn't make sense. You know what I mean? You can't do that. Otherwise, you're basically like full porting your accounts. Oh no, guys. Oh no. By technicality, this is a liquidity sweep market structure shift if we close below this low. This is an MSS. It's a bearish SMR. The 50K account, alpha futures, micro, or mini should I do? All right, do a micros. All right. Sheesh, this is our last line of defense right over here. This 5-minute gap right over here, guys. This 5-minute gap is our last line of defense. Hopefully we respect it. Maybe we tap one of our levels and then continue going higher, but let's see. Where's Trump when we need him? Guys, Trump can't save us all the time. Always micro on at 50K, yeah. Unless you're doing the CPI method, then you do minis. Let's get a nice push out of this 5-minute. Get a 1-minute IFVG. That should set us up higher, you know. But we got drawdown to play with. Dang, looking like we're about to get stopped out like crazy. Aims, bro. How many times do we go through this? This long will not play out. I hope it will, but it will not. How many times do we go through this, man? Always doubting me. Always doubting me. Why? Why don't you have any confidence in me? Yesterday we took the longs. Yeah, we got break even, but it went long. It went bullish. Five-minute over here. Maybe we tap one of our levels and then continue going higher. Damn, why did I take this with you? Whoa, hold up. Everybody wants to talk. Okay, so how come nobody says, why didn't I take this with you? Oh, geez, you guys are all signal bots, I swear. So then when we entered over here, right, and we got this nice reaction off of it, what's going on? It doesn't look good anymore? Over here, only when we start getting into some drawdown. Now it doesn't. Now you guys are upset? Gosh, I swear, man. You guys like to talk when we're in drawdown, but you guys don't like to congratulate when we're in profits, huh? When the price is going our way. ES is going to pull us out of this mess? Trust. Yeah, it is. I'm entering if it inverses the gap. Yeah, if it does. Bro, look how bullish ES. ES is going to send us up higher. You guys got no faith. No confidence in your play. No confidence, guys. We have a stop loss for a reason. Like structurally, if I had my stop loss over here, then yeah, I'd be scared. But I don't. I have it at the low, the structured low. So it makes sense. ES is going to pump us out of here. I swear. All you guys scared for no reason. And if it does hit your stop loss, who cares? I'm okay with like saying it in the beginning, but I don't like it when you guys say it. Yeah, people love to see a hero fail and fall, right? I'm okay when you guys say like, the trade's not gonna work out, but say it in the beginning, right? Say it in the beginning. Don't say it when when my stop loss is close, because that's like cherry picking, right? Because then when it goes and hits take profit, what are you gonna say? You know? Can I use SMR in this trade? To be honest, we're in a bearish SMR over here. Let's see if this bearish SMR works out. Maybe we took the wrong side of the trade. This bearish SMR could kill us right over here. Let's see. We have a liquidity sweep, market structure shift, return to bearish FEG, target these lows down over here. But I'm already in longs. My bias is bullish. All right, we need to play the song, guys. We need to play the song to get us out of this drawdown. We need good vibes in here, right? We need some good vibes, right? Wait, no, that's not it. We need some good vibes. Did I not save this? I still have. All right, bet. Oh, I didn't save it. All right, let's save it. Let's go. Let's pump up. I need the lyrics. Yo, ES is pumping for us, guys. Let's go. Let's pump. Bro, probably if you change the music, the market will go up. Wait, I need a full song for this. Wait, can you guys hear though? Is it louder on my phone or is it louder on the computer when I was on YouTube, guys? The faster, the better, bro. Dance fast. What are you talking about, bro? Yes, loud and clear. Oh snap, guys, we're dumping now. We're dumping now. Oh snap, we're dumping now. Guys, the music, it was the music, it was the music, it was the music, it was the music. All right, stop loss is about to get hit right now. Let's see, we're about to hit SL, unfortunate. All right, so this bearish SMR played out. Unfortunate L. We gotta act nonchalant, guys. Yeah, London. We're so close to hitting SL. We're so close to hitting SL. All right, SL hit. All good, guys. Unfortunate loss. Took a loss there. On the wrong side of the trade, I guess. Unfortunate. It is what it is. Yeah, we respected this 15-minute bearish gap really nicely. We were how close to hitting our break even, and this is exactly why we go break even, but over here, we didn't hit our break-even level. If we had taken this high, we would have been break-even, save this from a loss, but it is what it is. Now, if this pumps up and still goes all the way, my trade idea was still correct. But we'll see. Unfortunate. I don't think I want to try and catch another trade just because I don't want to stay on longer. I'm busy. It's my mom's birthday. Now, I got to go spend some time with her, take her out to brunch. But unfortunate L, guys. Unfortunate. TP hit. All right, GG's to all of you guys who beat me today. You guys win. You guys got the last laugh. If we do go down, we're probably going to continue going lower. If we do, I guess, I don't know. I still want to see longs, I'll be honest. Maybe I was a little bit married to my bias. 15-minute time frame. I should have seen this, right? I said this was my condition today. I kind of went against it. I like the momentum, the volume that we pushed up out of here, but it is what it is, right? All right, GG. Oh, yeah? Okay. Everybody, I'm going to hop off there. It is what it is. Take your loss for the day. Enjoy. Go live some life. Go touch some grass. And I'll see you guys later. All right, have a good one, guys. Take care. Peace.